So everybody's talking about rate changes and the federal budget and all these scary headlines. So what do you think about that? Do you think we really should be very concerned about the next 2-3 years, or do you think everything's going to level up and kind of the market will correct itself?
I think the consumer fear, the media, is something that you don't want to pay attention to it as much. Because there is always a good deal. There is always something that is right for you to buy. I remember 15-20 years ago when I bought my first house, my interest rate was 5.5%, and at the time that was a very good deal.
Yes,
it wasn't too high.
I think in Toronto real estate, we really should also use our common sense. We don't need to even look at statistics or anything like that. The fact of the matter is, majority of people that emigrate to Canada come to Ontario. They end up in Ontario. All these people would need homes. And we know that a majority of people that are getting residencies for Canada, they come from financial backgrounds that would be able to at least down the line afford an apartment. The developers right now are thinking that really 3 years down the road, we're going to have shortages for homes. And it's a fact, because we need, I think, I'm not sure about the exact number, but around, I think, 50,000 apartments per year, and we are at 30,000 now, or 25,000. So it's just common sense that Toronto real estate is not going to go down. It has one way to go, and it's up.
Don't forget, Toronto is number 11 in the world as far as being expensive in any way, real estate, lifestyle. So imagine Vancouver, which is much higher. Hong Kong is number 1. So if you compare with New York, Hong Kong, Milan, and all these big cities, we are still okay. It's just people, they are afraid. I know it's something new with the interest rate, but don't forget, people, they digest it as they have done before.
It takes a little bit of time.
Take that advantage of the market and just don't be afraid to invest, or even if you're looking for yourself, for your family, it's better to own than pay all this high rent, because the rents are crazy. It's so high.
And realistically, the market needed some correction in 2022. It was going crazy. I mean, that market, we needed a correction there. It wasn't good for anyone. It wasn't good for realtors. It wasn't good for buyers, sellers. It was just too much. And that correction happened, and I'm sure it's getting more stable now. I really believe, talking to all these brokers and realtors all around us, because I speak to everyone, that what they think, the future is very bright for Toronto real estate. Headlines are headlines. They are always, like for any subject, they're scary. So the best thing is to talk to professionals like us with lots of experience, knowing the backstory of everything and knowing every street, every corner of these neighborhoods. So we can help you. We can help you find that little jewel that is great pricing, and we can help to put you together with the right mortgage broker, right advisor to hit the jackpot.
Absolutely. We are here to help.
I think someone famous said that buy real estate, they don't make any more of it.